Welcome back to the channel to another video, and this video is different. I'm taking you on along my morning. This particular morning I was having a great old time, okay? You couldn't tell me nothing. This album was fantastic. It really set my day up for a great mood. As you can see, we're getting into the skincare. We're getting into the vibes. What is a good day if we don't start right with good music, okay? All the products I'm using, I will be listing them all down below in the description box, everything included in this video, but we cannot start anywhere without making sure the skin, the body is handled first before we tackle the day, especially as a mother. This is our moment to ourselves and to remind ourselves that we are more than a mom. We are more than just going through our day. We are ourselves, and ourselves need to be taken care of. Next on the agenda is literally getting my bed together. This has become a bigger challenge ever since having my baby, but I try whenever I have the time to squeeze in to get my bed together because it just does something to the mental. It might not be perfect, but you make that space feel fresh and welcoming and put together. At least something in the day is organized and put together where you feel a sense of control, because you never know what can happen for the day. So as you can see, I'm moisturizing. I put something on, something light. This particular day, I was gonna run to the store and get something real quick. That doesn't mean I have to go out looking crusty. So I said, you know what? Let's scooch up a little. Is it glamour? No. It's just a little put together, grab it all in and just making it a little cutesy outfit. Good morning, y'all. This morning routine is not everyday morning routine, but close to everyday morning routine. Today I have help, which is my husband working from home, and right now I'm going to Aldi's to get some things to make breakfast. So let's get to it. Let's vibe out. Kaytrana. I don't know why I can't pronounce his stage name for anything. Kaytrana, like Canada. Good morning. Oh, he got an iPad. She's so adorable. After gathering my life for that particular morning and getting some errands done and getting the living room put together because we love a clean space, it's time for my favorite part of the morning, my coffee. As you can see, I love my Nespresso machine, my Keurig machine. It all depends what I'm feeling. If I want something light, do I want something heavy? I just look forward to this moment. It's literally the highlight of every morning for me. And this particular coffee is just my shaken brown sugar espresso that I love doing. I do have a few coffee videos that I post short form on Instagram and TikTok. Links will be down below. And tell me what you feel. I'm not big on pumpkin spice, but I do love the cold foam. It adds a little zhuzh, adds a little fall, okay? And that's all I can do with pumpkin. So I made me a quick breakfast. What I love to do is literally cut my potatoes in smaller pieces, just like so in the video. I usually spice it up. I lost that clip, y'all. And I like to make my sunny side up eggs. I didn't have the end result, but this is where my morning ends. I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm looking forward to the next one.